Welcome to the Sessional Group project, which is also tutorial 5 of Mechanism Sessional course. This project is executed and presented by Nasir Khan, Malhotra Rahul and Rahul Raghunath of Mechanical Department. We chose problem number 3 from the list of projects, and here is the problem statement. This project is about synthesizing and simulating the mechanism of a dumper in which the door automatically closes and opens with respect to the tilt generated in the dumper in the process of unloading. The prime objectives before synthesizing the mechanism were to maximize the opening of door, to provide internal lock system when the dumper is in still state, and to determine the functional relationship between dumper tilt and the angle between the door and the ceiling. This is the primary idea for the synthesis of the design. The mechanism is synthesized so that when the dumper tilts, as the rod is fixed to the base, this generates a rotatory motion across the revolute fixed to the dumper, due to which the door gets pulled out at the lower part, and the upper part carries the motion with the help of the wheel and slides on the slider, which is also fixed to the dumper. Finally, the door gets fixed when there is an internal or external push is given at the lower part of the door. The force balancing from inside increases and does not have any effect caused by the force which is acted from outwards. Whereas when the upper part is subjected to inward force, the reaction force generated by the contact between the slider and the wheel balances it out. And when upper part is subjected to an outward force, a small part of the door, which is observed to be behind the obstacle, generates a reaction force and locks it. And a reaction force from below also balances it out. The whole mechanism is synthesized to be present on both sides of the dumper along its width. We added this wheel to the door so that the upper part of the door complements the lower part during the whole process of tilting, and this is the simulation of above kinematic diagram. This is the base part of the kinematic diagram to calculate the motion of the following mechanism. The typical calculations which we make in order to functionally connect theta 2 and theta 3 in a 4R chain. The difference is that we here replace the theta 2 with theta 2 plus gamma, owing to the whole angle between the kinematic L2 and L1 being theta 2 plus gamma. For the second part of the calculation, in the above graph, we can calculate the coordinates of lower hinge of the door, delta, and the length of the door. We will calculate the upper part of the door, which necessarily is present on y equal to mx plus c, as it will be present on the slider. This is the output of the above calculations, and in this only variables are theta 2, theta 3 and delta. Alternatively, theta 3 can also be written in terms of theta 2. Hence, a relation is generated with only theta 2 and delta being the variables and being dependent variables. The whole process of simulation is done on linkage platform, and the screen is recorded using Bandicam, and hence the watermark is observed on every video. The whole mechanism can be extrapolated by making some changes so that the door is controlled when the whole mechanism is extrapolated by making some changes with which door can be closed or opened by using controls, which helps while loading a truck.